In this video, I will discuss about candlesticks. How to read candlesticks in a trading chart. So this is a very basic concept of technical analysis. Technical analysis is the analysis which represent the previous movements of the price of a particular asset. Right now, I have opened the chart of Bitcoin against USDT, and you can see that there are green and red boxes or rectangles over here. These are called candles. Now note that there are two types of candles. Number one, bullish candles. Number two, bearish candles. Bullish candles are always the green ones, which represent the increase in the price, whereas bearish candles are always the red ones, which represent a decrease in the price. Now you can see that I have opened a 1 day time frame in the chart. This means that each candle represents the price movements of Bitcoin within 1 day. For example, this candle shows that the price of Bitcoin fell from $58,000 to $49,000 on 5th of August, whereas this candle shows that the price of Bitcoin rose from $54,000 to $58,000 on 6th of August. And this is our current candle, which is not formed yet. It will be formed after 12 p.m. So if I go to the 5 minutes chart, here each candle represents the price movements of within 5 minutes. For example, this candle represents that the price of Bitcoin rose from this price to this price in 5 minutes. Similarly, this red candle next to the green candle shows that the price of Bitcoin fell from this price to this price in those 5 minutes. So each candle depends upon a time frame which you choose. Now let's talk about some details. Each candle contains a body and a wick. The body represents the opening and closing of the candle, whereas the wick represents the highs and lows of that candle in that particular time frame. For example, let's suppose that this is a bullish green candle. Here, open represents the starting point where the candle started to form. The low here represents the minimum lowest price of Bitcoin in those, let's say, 5 minutes, since our time frame is 5 minutes. The high here represent the highest maximum price of Bitcoin in those 5 minutes, whereas the close represents that those 5 minutes were over and the candle closed here. If the candle closes above the opening price, it will be called a bullish green candle because it's indicating that there is a high buying pressure. Now let's talk about the red bearish candle. Here, open indicates the starting point where the candle started to form. High here indicates the highest maximum price of Bitcoin in those 5 minutes. Low here indicates the lowest minimum price of Bitcoin in those 5 minutes. Whereas close here indicates that those 5 minutes were over and the candle successfully formed. Since the closing of the candle was below its starting point, this candle will turn red and will be called a bearish candle, which indicates that there was a high selling pressure. There are some candlestick patterns which many traders use to predict the future price movements of their particular assets, but their accuracy is almost like 70 to 80%, not 100%. And note one thing, that these candlestick patterns only work in markets like forex and stock. They do not work in cryptocurrency market. So since our main focus is cryptocurrency, we will not discuss about these patterns. So I hope you understood the concept. Please subscribe.